NEM is a distributed digital currency stage. It is written in Java and JavaScript and utilizes 100% unique code. NEM presents the model for wide appropriation and adds new practical highlights to the blockchain innovation utilizing the verification of significance calculation. NEM additionally offers an incorporated distributed encoded informing framework, multi-signature accounts, and the Eigentrust++ notoriety framework. The NEM Open Alpha test started on June 25, 2014, trailed by a long and exhaustive beta test on October 20, 2014, and the last variant of NEM was delivered on May 31, 2015. In 2016, NEM hopped in cost and became one of the biggest cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. While the blockchain business was battling the DAO, a few Japanese banks concurred with NEM to make an installment foundation on the blockchain. What's in store from NEM digital money? Figure out the NEM conjecture for 2022 to 2030. NEM value investigation, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of NEM is $4 and XEM is as of now position no. 108 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of NEM is 8,999,999,999 XEM, with a market cap of $345,077,368.88. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, XEM has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 3.46%. NEM has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of XEM has expanded by 35.99%, adding a monster normal measure of 1 cent to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. NEM value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of NEM costs expected in 2023, the base expense of NEM will be 5 cents. The most extreme level that the XEM cost can reach is 6 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 5 cents. Likely return for money invested, 71% by XEM value figure for 2023 in light of the value changes of NEM toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical XEM pace of 5 cents in 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 5 cents and at 6 cents. Separately, possible return for money invested, 71% by 2024. NEM value estimate digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the XEM cost in 2024. The base exchanging cost may be 8 cents, while the greatest could reach 9 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of NEM may be around 8 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 160.5% by XEM value conjecture for 2025. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of NEM in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XEM rate they anticipate may be around 11 cents in 2025. It can drop to 10 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 13 cents. Possible return for money invested, 268.4% by 2026. NEM value estimate around mid-year 2022, the XEM cost will be exchanged at 16 cents by and large. 2026 could likewise observe an expansion in the NEM worth to 19 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 16 cents in 2026. Possible return for capital invested, 426.3% by XEM value gauge for 2027. Crypto specialists have broke down NEM costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to 2027, 23 cents. The most minimal and top XEM rates may be 22 cents and 28 cents. Likely return for money invested, 663.1% by 2028. NEM value gauge crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XEM cost will be around 35 cents. In 2028, the NEM cost might drop to at least 33 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 40 cents in 2028. Likely return for money invested, 978.8% by XEM value gauge for 2029. Having broke down NEM costs, digital currency specialists expect that the XEM rate could arrive at a limit of 59 cents in 2029. It may, nonetheless, drop to 48 cents. For 2029, the gauge normal of NEM is almost 50 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment, 1,478.8% by 2030. NEM value figure around mid-2022. The NEM cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 74 cents. Crypto experts expect that in 2030, the XEM cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 72 cents and 86 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 2,189.2% by XEM value estimate for 2031. Market specialists expect that in 2031, the NEM worth won't dip under at least $1.09. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $1.29. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.12. Expected return for capital invested, 3,294.7% by 2032. NEM value conjecture. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of XEM costs all through 2022. For 2032, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of NEM will be around $1.89, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.57. In 2032, the normal expense will be $1.62. Possible return for capital invested, 4,873.7% by NEM value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of NEM in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of NEM will be around 8 cents. The greatest expected XEM cost might be around 9 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 8 cents in 2024. NEM value expectation 2025. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of NEM, in 2025, XEM is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 10 cents and 13 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 11 cents. NEM value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of NEM and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base XEM cost could drop to 16 cents, while its most extreme can reach 19 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 16 cents. NEM value forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of NEM by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least XEM costs are normal in 2027, 28 cents and 22 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 23 cents. NEM value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the changes of NEM. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical XEM cost will be around 35 cents. It could drop to at least 33 cents. However, it actually could reach 40 cents all through 2028. NEM value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists plan gauges at the cost of NEM. It is assessed that XEM will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 48 cents and 59 cents in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around 50 cents during the year. NEM value expectation 2030. Cryptographic money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the NEM's cost. The year 2030 still up in the air by the greatest XEM cost of 86 cents. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around 72 cents. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is 74 cents. NEM value expectation 2031. Following quite a while of examination of the NEM cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their XEM cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for no less than $1.09, with the conceivable greatest tops at $1.29. Overall, you can anticipate